In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Canva Pro subscription. So whether you have the Pro version or you're currently running a trial version of Canva, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can cancel this. So what you need to do is just launch up the canva.com website and make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and from here select settings. Then from the left, we're just going to scroll down and select billing and plans. And then once again, scroll down until you see the subscriptions that you currently have. So you can see at the moment I have this trial that ends on the December 21st of 2024. So if you want to go and cancel this, just select the three horizontal dots next to the subscription. And then from here, click on cancel plan. You'll be able to see at the top how many days you have left of your subscription or free trial. And then we can scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on continue cancellation. Then simply give a reason why you want to cancel. It doesn't matter what you select here, and press continue. And finally, press submit feedback. And just like that, we've now canceled our Canva Pro subscription, and you will still have access to the Pro version up until the expiry date. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.